Alright guys, so we get this to x is equal to h bracket 2a plus b divided by 3 bracket a plus b, and we are supposed to make b the subject of the formula. Joel, look up yourself. Alright, so we're going to make b the subject of the formula. So what we can do first of all, we want b on one side and want the rest on the other side, right? So before we can do that, we need to get rid of the denominator. So I suggest that we just put this over 1 and we do a cross multiply. But before we do that, we need to expand this. So we need to expand 3 times a. So let us rewrite x. Just gonna expand each time that is 2ah. With maths, we normally put the in alphabetical order. So h times b would be hb, and here we have 3 times a would be 3a, 3 times b would be 3b. So now it's more comfy. So we can cross multiply now. Like I make a x, so it would be x times 3a plus 3b is equal to 1 times this. Anything times 1 is normally 1. Alright. So now, remember the objective. We want to get b on one side. So I'm going to work with b on the left hand side. If you want, you can work with it on the right hand side. It doesn't really matter. But I'm thinking it's probably easier to work with. Alright, so I'm just going to expand this. So x times that will be 3ax plus 3bx, because we multiply by 3, bracket means multiply. So we have this again. H plus hb. So remember the objective now, guys. We want to get b over here. So this, we have a 3ax, so we can get rid of this 3ax. Minus 3ax. Anything we do to one side, we do to both sides. So 3ax gone over there, so bam. So we're left with 3bx over here. 3bx is equal to 2ah plus hb minus 3ax. Now we want to carry this hb over there, so we have to subtract because they're plus. We always take the inverse of it. So let's go. So it's 3bx minus, we're gonna minus it from this side. When we do it to one side, we do it to both sides. So now we're left with 2ah plus 3ax. I'm just gonna rewrite it up here. So we have 3bx minus hb is equal to 2ah plus 3ax. So now remember our objective, we want to find what? B. So both of them have b. So what we can do is factor out b. B is common. So we take out the b, put the bracket, and then we say b into this, leave 3x, 3 into that, b into that, leave h. So we have 2ah plus 3ax. And now, to get b by itself, this is saying b times this. So we simply do the inverse, which is divide by 3x minus h. So back, that gone. So but now we have to divide by this, because what you do to one side, you have to do to both sides. So therefore b is equal to 2ah plus 3ax divided by 3x minus h. And there we have it. B is the subject of the formula. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I see you guys in the next video.